there's a real appetite out there for sweet treats. So today I'm coming back with another truly wholesome, mouth-watering, delicious homemade chocolate that you can make at home yourself within a matter of minutes. All of these ingredients are so natural and pure, and we don't often consider the health benefits of them when we put food into our mouth. But when you sit down and do the research and see just how beneficial these natural foods are for the body, it's almost medicinal to go to the fridge and take out your chocolate and have one. You'll be so amazed with the health benefits of each of them, even down to the likes of mango. Mango is so rich in vitamin C, in vitamin A, which is good for the eyesight. It's rich in iron. It's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. It assists the kidneys in eliminating toxins from the body. Raw carob, again, supporting digestion. It will reduce or help to reduce high or bad cholesterol in the body, or LDL. And that's what we want. We want to have our sweet treat, but we don't want to pay a heavy price for it in terms of our health. But as with all foods, no matter if you're plant-based or whatever type of food regime you follow, moderation is key. So to know when you're full and you've had enough and you're satisfied, that you don't overindulge in any type of food. This food is truly medicinal for the body. It's so supportive, it's so nutritious. It will satisfy that sugar craving that each of us or some of us get at some point in our day. I'm going to demonstrate to you now what I do on a step-by-step basis to make this delicious chocolate, and I assure you, if you are willing to give it a go, it is something that you are quickly going to incorporate into your diet because it's just so delicious. So I hope you enjoy making it, and I certainly hope you enjoy eating it, and if you're generous and kind enough, you might even share it with family and friends. You are going to need organic cacao butter, raw coconut oil, organic carob powder, vanilla extract, stevia, a selection of silicone molds, some boiling water, a glass jar and container to combine your solid and liquid ingredients and to melt them down. Into my glass jar I will place 12 discs of cacao butter, which is roughly 22 grams. Cacao butter is so beneficial and soothing for the skin. It can help calm eczema, dermatitis, rashes and chapped lips. And it also reduces the signs of aging, containing antioxidants and vitamin E to fight free radicals in the body. To that I add half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Again, it's high in saturated fats, so I consume in moderation. It contains lauric acid, which is antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral in the body. I add 4 to 6 drops of stevia, which is a natural sweetener. Stevia can help to stabilize blood sugars, making it ideal for diabetics. I add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which again is very beneficial for digestion and can calm an upset or bloated stomach. And the aroma alone can have a calming effect and alleviate stress, potentially by promoting serotonin. Place the lid on top of the glass jar, and to the container I add boiling water and leave this to sit until the solid ingredients have liquefied and they all combine well together. I now prepare my mango, and I cut it in half, being very careful of the nut that lies in the center of the mango. And using an ice cream scoop, which I find really helpful, I will scoop out the center and place it into the small Vitamix blending bowl. It's so interesting to discover the health benefits of mango. Mango is very good to cool the body, especially in warm weather. Mango will help your kidneys to excrete toxins and to process quicker. Mango is very good for overall digestion. It's rich in iron and it will enhance the immune system overall. Mango can help fight free radicals in the body. It contains fiber, pectin, vitamin C, all of which will help to lower bad cholesterol, your LDL. It's got vitamin A, which is really good for your eyesight. Being aware of this knowledge will highlight the medicinal value of food. It's not only there to satisfy our hunger cravings, it would help nourish the body. It would help the body to heal and repair at a cellular level. Once you have all the ingredients combined into your container, you can place it on your blender or Vitamix and blend for a short period of time, about 10 to 15 seconds, and you have converted the flesh of the mango into a thick, creamy, luxurious puree, which will form a beautiful topping on your natural raw homemade chocolate. Now that your ingredients have melted down and combined well in the glass jar, I will add one fairly level teaspoon of carob powder to the mix. You could also use cacao powder. I just prefer carob for its health benefits. It's caffeine and gluten-free. I like that element of it. So a great alternative to chocolate. It's rich in minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, which is essential for our bones, nerves, and for preventing anemia. It's also really good to promote healthy gut bacteria, and it's good to stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The antioxidants and fiber help to lower the LDL, which is our bad cholesterol, and as such helps support cardiovascular function. Once I have the melted chocolate poured into the mold tray, I will mount it onto a small chopping board for increased stability, and I will place it in the freezer. It will freeze really quickly. In around 5-10 minutes, your chocolate will be ready for step 2. So place them into the freezer, and within a matter of minutes, you'll find you will have frozen solid chocolate, which will support and combine really well with the mango puree. Jump forward 5-10 minutes, and here we have it, beautiful, solidified, homemade raw carob chocolate. So just take in that vision, beautiful, luxurious, homemade, raw carob chocolate. The smell is divine. So taking your freshly prepared mango puree, you could also add sea moss gel to the mango puree. That would be really beneficial in terms of your health, and it's another way to sneak in the sea moss into the diet, and especially for the children. It's tasteless, but will add another element in terms of medicinal value to the food. Sea moss is rich in iodine, which is a natural source of iodine, and this is really beneficial for your thyroid and brain health and brain function. I've previously made a video on how to make your own sea moss gel, so if you want to find out more information, do go and look at that video. So once you've everything smoothed over with your spatula, and that step is optional, you can just leave it as the mango falls on the mold shape and just let it set that way, or if you want a smooth finish, smooth it over with the spatula. The colours are beautiful and vibrant. It's so nutritious and so good for you. And once you're happy, place them back into the freezer, and they should remain there for about half an hour to an hour until they're fully set. And there you have it, beautiful, luxurious, rich, heavenly chocolate that you can enjoy and know on some level that it's going into the body, it's assisting the body, it's healing you and doing all sorts of wonderful things inside the body, as well as making you feel good, and brings heaven, that feeling of heaven, a little bit closer. Magic. This mold is very attractive with the spiral design in the chocolate. Looks really well. So experiment, have fun, try out different shapes or different molds, and you'll get surprising results. Add in additional ingredients, make it your own, be creative with your food. But as a basis, this is how I make chocolate, and I truly love it. I hope you're inspired to give it a go, and you feel the rewards of making your own homemade, nutritious, delicious chocolate for all the family and friends to enjoy.